This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for Sunday, January 5th of 2014. Well, you might recognize these hazardous weather highlights that we have for today through next Saturday, but there is a new one now. Some accumulating snow is going to occur for mainly just northeast lower Michigan. Some of the counties that are more impacted by this accumulating snow will be Gladwin and Aranac, Iosco, Ogemaw, and all the way up to Alpena County. That's going to be for today and tonight, and mainly for this afternoon and this evening. Roads throughout this area will become snow-covered and slick, resulting in hazardous driving conditions. Now, the much-talked-about nastier winter conditions are going to arrive late tonight and continue all the way through Tuesday. That's going to affect most all of northern Michigan. Bitterly cold temperatures resulting in low wind chills, blowing snow, accumulating snow, and poor visibilities are all expected. And this will be more of a significant impact for driving and travel conditions out there. We do expect periodic significant reductions in visibility and also an increased threat for frostbite. And we also still have the continuing threat for ice jams for all of northern Michigan's rivers and streams until further notice. But we are headed into a deep freeze. But before we get to that, let's look at the snowfall forecast in the upper left-hand graphic, which will be through Monday afternoon. We do see the better accumulations of snow that are going to be across northeast lower, where up to 8 inches of snow may be possible by this time across the Tawas area. Lesser amounts as you head back to the northwest. And then in the lower right-hand graphic, these are going to be the areas mainly impacted by the nasty winter conditions, although all the areas are going to get it at some point. Snow showers and blowing snow in the red shaded areas. All across the area, highs just 0 to 10 degrees and lows 0 to minus 20. Lowest wind chills 25 to 35 degrees below zero. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.